Hi, and welcome at this Scratch lesson where you will learn how to make a character to dance in a disco light. So let's pick a background. For example, the spotlight. And to delete this character and to put this character, you can see its movement here, so it's like dancing, so it's perfect for this. And I'll put here because here is too high for our game, so here is perfect. And I want to add the code first for the background. So when I click the run button, so this button, I will choose a forever loop, and here inside to change color effect by 25, and after to wait some seconds, so this one, but here I want 0.4, and this is a code for the background, so let's see what it's doing. So it's perfect, and let's stop it. And after to put the code for our character, for Casey, and when I click this button, I will choose again a forever loop. So this loop will end it only when I press the stop button. And here inside I want to see the customs for this character, so this one, this, and this. So when it's starting this loop, I want to switch custom to the first position, so Casey A, the first one, and wait the same 0.4 seconds, and after to switch custom to the next one, B, and again wait 0.4 seconds and switch custom to C, and wait 0.4, and the last one, D, and the time is the same. And now let's see what this code is doing. So it's perfect. And now let's press the stop button. This is a code for this dancing scene, and if you liked this video, please give the subscribe button, and we will see at the next lessons. Goodbye.